Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the AAA Trading Broker. You enter the forex section of brokers, select AAA Trading, and then click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on Sign Up, and in the registration section, you enter your mobile phone number. You choose a password for your account, and I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and after entering the information, click on Submit. You enter the code that was sent to your mobile phone number in this section, and then click on Sign Up. And after clicking on Sign Up, click on Open Live Account and. In this section, enter your email address. After entering your email address, click on Send, and a code will be sent to your email address. You then click on AAA Trading. Copy this 6-digit code and paste it in this section, then click on Next. Your account has been successfully created, but to have a live account, you need to upload documents such as an ID card, passport, etc., and you can start working with the A Trading website. Good luck.